Those are pictures from much earlier. Goods worth millions of naira being destroyed in a fire incident that gutted the popular Adekunle Sawmill in the Butameta area of Lagos. Residents say the fire started from a surge after the restoration of power by the Power Holding Company of Nigeria. Although no life was lost in the incident, the traders say they would want a permanent solution to the recurring cases of fire incidents in the market over the last couple of years.
Light for like 24 hours. They did not took the light. Yes. And I think some wires has got spoiled already. So the time they bring the second one, the fire just burst up. This place, fire have caught it almost 5 times. And people has not taken any action about it.
Meanwhile, emergency agencies in Lagos and Ogun State say they have attended to about 50 different disasters between Friday and Sunday. These disasters, according to the National Emergency Management Agency, include a fire outbreak at Arida National Plastic Company, Oshodi, Lagos State on Sunday, a car explosion in Abeokuta, and a wild bushfire in Ogun State, both on Saturday, and the fire outbreak at CMS Bookshops in Lagos also on Saturday. According to NEMA, 5 deaths have been recorded so far in all the incidents. The agency is therefore imploring on Nigerians to be safety conscious and guided against using safe practice. Are being advised to use guided against unsafe practices as the new phase of dry season sets in. Our parents and schools have also been advised to educate children and the elderly about basic safe actions.